Hi, I'm Frank Hanson with Iowa Realty. Like many of you today, I'm working from home because of the COVID-19 pandemic. People have been calling me and asking me how the real estate market's reacting to this situation. And to my surprise, I found out since April 1, and today's April 16, we've had over 800 new listings come on the market, and we've had over 600 sales happen. That's great activity. Interest rates are low, so if you're looking to buy, it's a great time to buy. And since there is activity out there, if you're thinking about selling, it's a great time to put your house on the market. We've put procedures in place to protect our clients during showings. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, give me a call, Frank Hanson, Iowa Realty, 515-770-4333, and stick around because I'm going to do a virtual open house so you can take a look at some property. This all-brick two-story in West Des Moines, priced at $599,900, sits on a nearly 2-acre, well-landscaped and manicured lot. The main garage holds 4 cars. The second attached garage will hold a boat, RV, or camper. The home features 4 bedrooms and 3 baths and has over 3,900 square feet finished. It has a contemporary flair with a 2-story entryway and a library area. The living room has a vaulted ceiling and a stone fireplace. The snack bar in the kitchen is handy for a quick breakfast or an afternoon snack. The kitchen features a large island and sliders to the deck. It also has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The spacious master bedroom also has vaulted ceilings and a fireplace. There's a double vanity in the bath off the master, a skylight, and a separate tub and shower. The first floor laundry room comes complete with washer and dryer and has a built-in ironing board. There's full view windows in the lower level, and it features a family room, 2 bedrooms, and a full bath. You can enjoy your backyard from your 2-level deck. 3,900 square feet finished in this lovely brick 2-story. It's located in the Waukee School District with open enrollment possibilities to West Des Moines schools. There's dual-zone geothermal heating and cooling, triple-pane Pella windows and sliders. For more information or to see this property, call Frank Hanson, 515-770-4333.